Good morning, students. Today's topic is roots for the special functions. Means there are some roots, they perform the special functions. Special functions means they are not the normal root, they are specialized roots like epiphytic roots and sucking roots. Epiphytic roots and sucking roots, they have a special functions. They have a special functions. That's why these roots are for the special functions. Out of two, the first one is epiphytic roots. Epiphytic roots, what is mean by epiphyte? Epiphyte means it is the plant which is present on the plant. It is the plant means plant which is present or which get support of the other plant. Okay, that's why that plant, ap means that is the on the plant. Okay, epiphyte means plant, epiphyte means plant on the plant, means epiphyte. And these epiphytic plant have a special roots are called as epiphytic roots. Epiphytic roots. Some plants grows on the huge tree branches, means this is the tree branch, and on this tree branch there is another plant, and this plant is getting support from the parent plant. Okay, host plant. This tree branch, this is called as tree branch, and on this tree branch there is a plant which is getting the support from the host plant. Okay, this plant is called as epiphyte. This plant is called as epiphyte, and example is orchid, epiphyte orchid, or it is also called as vanda. Okay, now this plant is called as epiphyte plant, and this plant is showing the special type of roots. These special type of roots are called as hanging roots, because these roots because this plant is located in the aerial position. That's why the root of the plants is hanging in the air. Roots of the plant is hanging in the air. Okay, some plants grows on the huge tree branches in the dense forest, means location, that is plant is located, epiphytic plants are located on the branches of the huge tree or large tree, and these plants are unable to obtain the soil moisture because these plants don't have the soil contact, and that's why they don't have the soil contact, that's why they do not get the moisture from the soil. They are aerial plant, they are located in the air, and they shows the specialized roots. Okay, they are unable to obtain the soil moisture from soil moisture. Okay, that's why they produce a specialized root. That's why they are not in contact with the soil, they are aerial plants. That's why they develop a specialized roots which are hanging in the air, means roots are in the air and they are hanging. Okay, and these roots are called as hanging roots, and these roots shows the specialized tissue. या रूट्स मध्ये स्पेशल टिश्यू असतो, ज्या टिश्यूला म्हणायचं वेलामेंट टिश्यू. कोणता टिश्यू? वेलामेंट टिश्यू. ओके, बिकॉज these roots have a spongy membranous covering. These roots have a spongy membranous covering of velament tissue. Okay, means these roots are the epiphytic root. These roots are called as epiphytic roots, and these epiphytic roots shows the covering of velament tissue. And see the speciality of this velament tissue. This velament tissue absorbs moisture from the air. Okay, now these are the epiphytic roots, and they shows the special tissue is called as velamen tissue, and these velamen tissues are able to absorb the moisture from the air because they are not in contact with soil. They absorb the moisture from the air. Okay. And means they absorb the moisture from the air. That's why water requirement is completed, water requirement of the plant is completed. Okay. And this velamen tissue absorbs the moisture from the air, and these tissues are hygroscopic. These tissues are hygroscopic and have porous wall. Porous wall. Porous wall means this is the wall having the pores in the roots, and they are hygroscopic in nature. Okay. These roots are silvery white, color of the silvery white, or they are green in color. They are greenish in color, and these roots don't have the root caps. यांच्यामध्ये root cap नसते. And the roots which are penetrate in the soil, they have a special root cap. These are the aerial roots. That's why they don't have any root cap. Okay. And example is, this plant is vanda. It is also called as orchid or vanda. Second example is dendrobium is the second example, and these are the special roots, aerial roots. They absorb the moisture from the air. They don't have any contact with soil. Okay. These are the aerial roots, are called as epiphytic root, and special function of this epiphytic root is they absorb the moisture, they absorb the water content moisture from the air. Okay. This is the first special function of epiphytic root. Second is sucking roots. Or they are also called as parasitic roots. Okay. Parasitic roots, special term, technical term is हॉस्टोरिया म्हणायचं किंवा त्याला सकिंग रूट्स म्हणायचं. काय म्हणायचं, कारण हे रूट्स काय करते, सक करते. फूड आणि वॉटर कोणापासून, होस्ट प्लांटपासून. ठीक आहे. आता बघा याच्यामध्ये होस्ट पॅरासाइट रिलेशनशिप आहे. Parasite म्हणजे काय, the particular parasitic plant means the plant which depends on the other plant, which depends on the host plant for the complete nourishment, for the absorption of water and food. Okay. That plant is called as parasitic plant. And these parasitic plant have a special adaptations. They have a special type of roots are called as sucking roots or hausteria. Now see, here are two plants. Okay. Two plants. The first plant is called as host plant. The plant having the leaves are called as host plant. Okay. On the host plant there is a wiry plant, leafless plant. This is the leafless plant or wire like plant. Generally these parasitic plants are the leafless plant. Now this parasitic plant or we can say that plant is called as कुस्कुटा. मराठीमध्ये याला अमरवेल म्हणते. येलो वायर सारखा प्लांट आहे आणि तो काय होस्ट प्लांटवर जातो. ठीक आहे. तर बघा याचा कॉन्टॅक्ट जो आहे, हा जो प्लांट आहे कुस्कुटा और पॅरासिटिक प्लांट, दे हॅव अ स्पेशल अडॅप्टेशन. व्हॉट इज द अडॅप्टेशन? दिस कुस्कुटा प्रोड्यूस अ हॉस्टोरिया, sucking root, and that penetrates into the vascular strand. Vascular strand म्हणजे काय, हा जो प्लांट आहे हा होस्ट प्लांट आहे. कोणतं प्लांट? होस्ट प्लांट. आणि या होस्ट प्लांटच्या सेंटरमध्ये, स्टेमच्या सेंटरमध्ये किंवा रूटच्या सेंटरमध्ये काय असते, वॅस्क्युलर स्ट्रँड आहे, म्हणजे झायलम आहे. झायलम टिश्यू, वॉटर कंडक्टिंग टिश्यू. सेकंड, अराउंड द झायलम देअर इज अ फ्लोएम, दॅट इज द फूड कंडक्टिंग टिश्यू. Okay. Means vascular strand means that is the xylem and phloem, and these both the tissues having the supply of water and food. Okay. Now what this parasitic plant or cuscuta produce a special outgrowth is called as haustoria, or it is called as sucking root. This root they produce, this cuscuta produce the sucking root or haustoria that penetrates into the vascular strand of the host plant. Okay, Cuscuta is the parasitic plant, and this parasitic plant is on the host plant. Okay, this Cuscuta produce the outgrowth or the hostorium or sucking root or sucking projection into the vascular strand, means into the xylem and phloem, and it obtained the water and food from this host plant. Okay, this is the host parasite relationship. And in this case, this Cuscuta plant produce the sucking roots or hostoria to get the water and food or to get the nutrition from the host plant. Now, these are the sucking roots are the specialized microscopic sucking roots. Suck means they sucks the food and water. Okay, sucking root of the parasitic plants to absorb the कशासाठी गरज आहे या रूट्सची, to absorb the nourishment from the host plant. They absorbs the nourishment. Nourishment means they get the food as well as water from the host plant. Now there are two types of parasites. Some plants are the partial parasite. Partial parasite म्हणजे अर्धे. And second type is the total parasite. Second type is the total parasite. Total parasite means it is the completely depend on the host plant. Total parasite. Now see the partial parasite. Example is partial parasite. Example is Viscum album. Viscum album is the partial parasite, and it penetrates the hostoria or root into the xylem of the host plant. Into the xylem of the host plant. Okay. Penetrates the hostoria. This viscous album, it penetrates the hostoria or sucking root into the xylem of host plant. This Viscum album is the partial parasite. Partial parasite, it is not the complete parasite. Complete parasite are the total parasites. Total parasites, some plants are the total parasites, and they penetrates the hostoria or sucking roots in a vascular strand. Vascular strand means xylem and phloem. Xylem is the water conducting strand, phloem is the food conducting strand, vascular strand, and suck the food from the phloem. Sucks the food because phloem is the food conducting tissue. They sucks or they absorb the food from the phloem and water and minerals from the xylem. Water and minerals from the xylem. Okay, example is good example of this parasitic plant is Cuscuta. Cuscuta or dodder, it is also called as dodder. It is yellow wiry वायर सारखा येलो वायर सारखा प्लांट आहे. लीफलेस प्लांट आहे, कोणत्याही प्रकारचे पानं नसतात या प्लांटला. दिस इज द लीफलेस प्लांट विथ येलो स्टेम. स्टेम कसा आहे, येलो आहे, याच्यामध्ये स्टेम असते. ठीक आहे. आणि हा जो येलो प्लांट जो आहे, येलो प्लांट और पॅरासिटिक प्लांट, आपल्या शब्दामध्ये याला अमरवेल म्हणतो आपण. पिवळ्या कलरचा असतो वायर सारखा, आणि हा जो आहे हा टोटल पॅरासाइट आहे. याचं नाव आहे कुस्कुटा. नाव आहे कुस्कुटा किंवा डॉटर याला म्हणतात. हा काय करतो, छोटे छोटे मायक्रोस्कोपिक काय, हा जेव्हा कनेक्ट असतो, हा दिस इज दी कुस्कुटा. इट इज ऑन द होस्ट प्लांट अँड इट इज द लीफलेस प्लांट. होस्ट प्लांट इज द प्लांट हॅविंग द लीफ. ओके, दिस कुस्कुटा प्रोड्यूस द, this is the transverse section of both the plant, that is the host parasite relationship. This is the TS. This Cuscuta produce the sucking root and that penetrate into the vascular strand, means xylem and phloem, and it absorb this nourishment from the vascular strand. Okay, so in this way there are two specialized roots, epiphytic roots and sucking roots. Okay, we'll in next lecture we will see the stem and that is the part of stem and the modification of the stems. Okay, till then, goodbye. Have a good day.